Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a really cute tutorial on this look here using the Jamaican Marley braiding hair. If you guys have not checked out my last video, click off of this video right now and go check that one out because it's absolutely adorable. It's like a faux hawk using the same exact hair, but it's just really cute. But yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I was able to accomplish this look. So if this is something you're interested in, continue watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my hair in a bun, and I will be taking 9 pieces of the Jamaican Marley braiding hair, and this is 9 strands. I'm now going to wrap my rubber band around it, and what you do is you take it underneath just like this, and you're going to take this piece and just take it through the middle, so it's just like that. I'm going to tie this around my bun. I'm going to separate them into 2. This one side will be used to cover my bun, and the other will be used to add a little pizzazz to the style. You know that's what we like. And I made my bun a little high so that we could have, you know, a little height to this style as well. And I'm just covering my bun now. That's all we're doing. You see how I did that? Took it around, and now I just have to cover the top of my bun. So now I'm going to take that back over just like that. I'm going to bobby pin it in the back. After I add a few pins, I'm then gonna tuck. So now just make sure that you like what you're working with. My bun is covered, so that is good enough for me. Now I'm gonna take this section, I'm gonna separate it into 2. I've grabbed it here because if you guys know anything about Marley hair, then you know that you have different lengths even throughout the hair. So I'm taking it at the end of the shortest piece, and I'm going to pin that right here. And for those of you that have asked, I do not plan these hairstyles. I'm literally sitting here just like, okay, and I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that. But I love me a good bun and I love a good bang, so you know this kind of works for you, girl. So yeah, I took this and I just, in this motion, like a number 8 pretty much. Yeah, Miss Vaughn taught me well, y'all. She was the one that got me started on this Marley hair. And I honestly thought that the style was dated. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't know that people were still wearing it. But yeah, I thought the style was dated. I didn't know that people were still wearing it. It just crossed my mind, like I want to try out a Marley braiding style. And I did it, and yeah, the rest is history. Now I'm receiving all types of requests, like could I do another look? Could I do a look for, with, you know, that only takes 1 pack of hair? Could I do a 1 ponytail look? I'm all for it. Okay, now let's figure out where we're gonna bobby pin this, because one thing I don't want is my bobby pin showing. So you guys saw what I just did, right? I braided it and then I loosened up the braid. You just have to get creative sometimes, you know, play with your hair. See what you like. And I'm a professional tucker. I just start tucking wherever. See? Okay guys, that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have not had a chance to check out my last one, go and watch that right now. Don't miss out. It's making its runs on social media, and you know, I'm just so proud of my work. I think it turned out really good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not. Give me that big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.